of Mr. Suresh to give a speech on the topic global warming.
I would like to speak a few words about save our planet Earth. Nowadays our Earth facing many problems, so I am going to talk about save the Earth. All the people from this world commemorate Earth Day every 22nd April. This Earth Day celebration is based on the awareness to save the world from environmental destruction. Today we are facing four major environmental problems. The first one is global warming. The second is ozone hole. The third is acid rain. And the last one is pollution. Nowadays, all the human beings are changing the environment to suit their needs. Now our main problem is global warming. What is a global warming? Global warming is nothing but just a concept of greenhouse effect. This greenhouse effect keeps the Earth's atmosphere as heat. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane and water vapor. The greenhouse gases act like glass walls and prevent some of the heat from escaping into the atmosphere, and the earth stays warm. The rays of the sun warm the earth, heat from the earth, and then goes back into the atmosphere. In the last 100 years, the concentration of these gases has increased tremendously due to large scale of burning of fossil fuels and rapid industrialization. In future, this global warming will lead to the submergence of land masses into the sea. Due to global warming, due to greenhouse gases, the temperature of the earth is increasing. This is the biggest threat of humans. These greenhouse gases kills crops, destroys natural life cycles of plants and animals. Nowadays, we are facing lots of natural disasters like storm, flood, tsunami, etc. due to global warming. Ice sheets are melting from North Pole and South Pole. This will increase the water level of the sea. If we do not reduce greenhouse effect, our future generation will get suffer. The next one is ozone hole. In 1980s, scientists discovered a hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica. This ozone hole was mainly caused by chlorofluorocarbons. This chlorofluorocarbon is a man-made chemical used in ACs, refrigerators, etc. This ozone hole passed the UV rays straightened to the earth, and it will cause skin cancer and reduce the immunity system in humans. The next one is acid rain. This acid rain, our factories, power station and vehicle use this fossil fuels. This fossil fuel gases mix with oxygen and it will give acid rain. This acid rain kills plants, destroys building bridges and gives diseases to humans. The last one is pollution. Pollution is the issue of dirtying the environment in several ways, such as illegally disposing gas, illegally disposing waste, or cutting trees excessively. This pollution will give a negative effect to mankind's health and his environment. Most of us think that we human beings are the most cleverest and wisest of all other animals in this world. Sure, there is no doubt that we are wise, but on the other hand, we are also destroying the environment. Our planet Earth is in great danger. How to save the Earth? Saving the Earth from these environmental problems can't be achieved single-handedly. By consuming less energy, we can save our planet and make it a better place for future generations. We can start with reuse, recycle, return and reduce. We call it as green evolution. Grow more trees and plants. Unplug the electronic when not in use and use rechargeable batteries instead of single-use batteries. Use less electricity and replace your light bulbs with energy-efficient bulbs. Shut off your computer when not in use. Go organic, composting and recycling paper bottles, etc. For example, one recycled tin would save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. Go for organic food. It will take less time and less energy to produce, but frozen foods will take a lot of time and less energy to produce. Cover your vessels while cooking. Shop with reusable shopping bag. Use less water. Buy a fuel-efficient car, for example, hybrid car. Always ride a bicycle for nearby distance. This will cut down of carbon emissions. Today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. To stop wastage and prevent shortage, if we save the earth today, the earth will save us in future. Thank you.
Now let's call upon Master Vishal.